Understanding, Restore Normalcy, Simplified for English Learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, restore normalcy. This phrase can be really useful in various contexts, and understanding it can enhance your English communication skills. So, let's dive into what it means and how to use it effectively. Restore normalcy refers to the process of bringing back a state of normality or usual conditions, especially after a period of chaos, change, or crisis. The word restore means to bring back or return something to a former condition, and normalcy refers to the state of being normal, usual, or expected. This phrase is often used in contexts like post-disaster recovery, political stability, or returning to routine life after a significant event. Let's look at some examples to understand how restore normalcy is used in real-life scenarios. After a natural disaster, the government is taking steps to restore normalcy in the flood-affected areas. In a post-war situation, the newly elected leader promised to restore normalcy after years of conflict. During a pandemic, vaccination drives are crucial to restore normalcy and reopen economies. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in different situations to convey the idea of returning to a stable, usual state. Understanding synonyms can help you use the phrase more flexibly. Some synonyms for restore normalcy include re-establish normality, return to the status quo, bring back order. You can use these phrases interchangeably depending on the context and the tone you wish to convey. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase restore normalcy confidently in your English conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using this phrase in your own sentences. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we continue to make English learning easy and fun.